Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. First off, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks today. I'd rather not say why because I want to keep it private in this case, so, but I am filling in for him today. Anyway, we have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Nebraska, eastern Kansas, most of Missouri, most of Oklahoma, the northwestern part of Arkansas, and northeastern Texas. Cities and tomorrow's enhanced include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. We have 2 slight risk areas tomorrow, 1 slight risk covering eastern Nebraska, west central and southern Iowa, central Kansas, parts of Missouri, western Illinois, central Arkansas, parts of Oklahoma, and parts of Texas. Another slight risk tomorrow encompasses central Tennessee, far southwestern North Carolina, northwestern South Carolina, northern Georgia, and the very far extreme northeastern tip of Alabama. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Nashville, Tennessee, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. Areas in the dark green are on a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Memphis, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Knoxville, Tennessee, Huntsville, Alabama, and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses extreme southeastern Nebraska, eastern Kansas, much of Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, much of Oklahoma, and north central Texas. Cities in tomorrow's 10% tornado risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Overland Park, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 10% tornado risk area tomorrow. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger tomorrow. Cities in tomorrow's black dashed area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Overland Park, Kansas. And again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger tomorrow. There is a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses eastern Nebraska, west central and southern Iowa, central Kansas, parts of Missouri, western Illinois, parts of Oklahoma, central Arkansas, and parts of Texas. Cities in tomorrow's 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Omaha, Nebraska, Arlington, Texas, and St. Louis, Missouri. Areas in the dark green are on a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and Springfield, Illinois. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses far southeastern Nebraska, eastern Kansas, most of Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, the eastern half of Oklahoma, and northeastern Texas. Cities in the 30% wind risk area tomorrow include Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Plano, Texas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Springfield, Missouri. There are 2 areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One encompassing southeastern Nebraska, southern Iowa, central Kansas, parts of Missouri, western Illinois, central Oklahoma, central Arkansas, and parts of Texas. And another 2%, and the other 15% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses central Tennessee, far northeastern Alabama, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, and far southwestern North Carolina. Season towards 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, and Arlington, Texas. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. Cities in the 5% wind risk area tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Omaha, Nebraska, Shreveport, Louisiana, Des Moines, Iowa, and Knoxville, Tennessee. Going to tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses far southeastern Nebraska, eastern Kansas, western half of Missouri pretty much, most of Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and north central Texas. Cities in the 30% hail risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. There are two areas where we have a 15% a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. There are two areas where we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One encompassing parts of eastern Nebraska, parts of Iowa, central Kansas, much of the eastern half of Missouri, western Illinois, central Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, and parts of Texas. The other 15% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses central Tennessee, far northeastern Alabama, northern Georgia, far southwestern North Carolina, and northwestern South Carolina. Cities in the 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. The 15% areas include Nashville, Tennessee, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 30% hail risk and most of the 15% hail risk. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. And again, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright? So, areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Huntsville, Alabama, and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And so, in summary, severe storms with all severe weather hazards are expected from the central and southern plains into the Ozarks on Monday. So, that's the day to outlook. So, take today to prepare for tomorrow. Those in the affected areas, stay safe tomorrow and have a way of being notified tomorrow, whether it be your TV, phone, or radio, to get severe weather warnings for tomorrow. Okay? So take today to prepare for severe weather tomorrow. And a lot of those same areas that are getting severe weather today are going to be doing so again tomorrow. So just stay safe in the affected areas today and tomorrow, really. And once again, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks today. I don't want to say why, because it's probably personal, so I'm just not going to say it. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow morning. Take care.